What's up guys? Today's video is on the 5 best mini drone on Aliexpress through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the mini drones, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with V14 Mini Drone in our list. With its 6K pixels, you will get so clear and delicate production. With high-resolution pictures and video light perception, you will be able to shoot great movies with ease. It will also let you switch between its dual high-definition camera. You will get 6K video transmission in it. That means it will let you enjoy 6K video live, and it will let you watch the wonderful distance. You will find it steady and be able to take good shots. With its smart hover, you can automatically maintain the height and hover. It is easy for novices to master and suitable for both indoors and outdoor. You can do some one-touch operations via its remote control. You will have one key takeoff and landing, and one key return feature in it. You can zoom 1 to 50 times through the app of it. With its 50x zoom, you will be able to scrutinize things in detail. Not to forget, it can capture photos if you show gestures according its system. This feature will give you the ability to take group photos without anyone's help. You can make it fly according to the route you will draw. This feature makes flying a drone easier. And not to worry, its removable modular battery will give about 20 minutes of battery life, so you will be able to have amazing moments and gather priceless memories. Up next, we have V14 New Mini Drone in our list. You can draw a track on the app, draw the flight trajectory on the app, and follow it immediately. This drone will fly according to that drawn trajectory intelligently. You can click beautiful photos in one go. Its beauty filter will let you collect beautiful photos in one go. You can conserve high-definition video with high dynamic range and photos that clearly freeze the beautiful moments. Both the front and bottom of the drone has bright LED lights. These lights will let you fly at night and give you amazing clips even at night. You will get 1 to 50 times free zoom that can be achieved through the app. It will let you shoot without fear of high-altitude vision. You can easily take pictures by waving your hand or making that type of gestures. It has a modular big battery that is durable and easy to install and take out. With its 3.7-volt, 1,600 mAh lithium battery, you can get an endurance of about 20 minutes. The very next mini drone we have is WLRC KK1 Mini Drone. It has 4K high-definition pixels. With 4K pixels, it provides better highlight and shadow details. And with the dual camera switching ability, you will get more freedom of shooting. You can freely switch perspective and enjoy head-up shooting and overhead shots. With its real-time transmission, it will let you watch while flying and enjoy the sailing horizon. It has a 50x zoom feature in it, so you won't have to worry about high-altitude close-up and distant views. You can draw the flight trajectory you want on the app, and the drone will follow the drawn trajectory to fly. It will let you easily stage 360-degree stunts in the air with one click, with no need for tedious manipulation. Its gravity sensor will provide an in-depth flight experience and make your flight easy and enjoyable. In case of emergencies, multifunction operation can be done by one key. Indeed, these one-key features are very effective to provide easy flight system. Its headless mode will take the direction of the remote control as the base center. No need to distinguish the direction, and operating it will be easier. Its 3.7-volt, 650 mAh modular battery will provide about 15 minutes of battery life. Furthermore, we have XT9 Professional Mini Drone. With its high-definition lens, real-time picture transmission, and 120-degree ultra-wide-angle shooting range, you can record every wonderful moment you want. You can shoot from a flat angle and also shoot from a squint angle. The high-definition resolution camera allows you to clearly record wonderful pictures of the flight moments. It is equipped with an infrared obstacle avoidance detector that can intelligently detect surrounding obstacles 360 degrees during flight. This obstacle avoidance detector can prevent collisions, scratches, and refuse crash damage, making your flight more comfortable. It can be cleverly folded and save space, unfolded to give you a strong and high-class drone. The design has made it fall-resistant and easy to carry. By turning on the headless mode, you can make it fly based on the front of the remote control. No need to identify the direction. With its hovering feature, it can hover at a fixed height. It will give you precise and stable flight. Its stable hovering will help you both indoors and outdoor. It has 5 seconds transmission. That means it will let you enjoy real-time viewing of images and high-definition transmission without delay. It has a modular battery of 1,800 mAh that gives you 15 minutes of battery life. We can finish it up with KY907 Mini Drone. Because of having better light perception and clarity, the 4K HD dual camera is even better. Its 45-degree adjustable angle and 120-degree wide angle add the sugar in it. Free switching ability is also there for eye-soothing clips. It also has filter effect and beauty shoot feature in it. With its multi-directional intelligent obstacle avoidance system, you can enjoy amazing flights. It has a 3-way environment infrared sensing ability that can perceive obstacles when encountering obstacles and let you control them easily and simply. It is easy to fold and smaller and lighter in design. It is easier to carry because of being foldable, smaller, and lighter. The beautifully designed storage bag also helps it to carry. It is provided with a beautiful look and design. The stunning appearance of cross-time, more temperament double headlights made it look really good. The smart hovering effectively allows the aircraft to stay steady during the flight. It also has anti-shake function to prevent blurry aerial photography. The gesture photo feature is also there to take pictures responding to the gestures. During the flight, aim at the drone camera, and the corresponding gestures can be used to take pictures or videos. 50x zoom is also there to acknowledge exclusive details. With its 800 mAh battery capacity, it can provide battery life of about 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you like the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.